Hey!
How's it going? How's it going?
Good. Crazy
Wow.
world, but we're just gonna keep deving. We're gonna keep
That's
deving
right.
until it's fixed.
That's right. Or it gets more broken. It's okay. Either way.
Wow.
It's the journey. It's the journey, not the destination.
You're bringing it. You're bringing the woes of the world into like the programming world. Like the more fixes you make to it, the more bugs you get. Wait,
Complexity,
that sounds bad.
man.
That sounds bad. Like calling people bugs or something.
Yeah.
Bugs are coming. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, that'd be fun. That'd be fun one day to just like make a huge analogy of programming to like all the world's current. I mean, you got like proxy wars, so it's like proxy servers.
That's true.
These damn proxy servers doing this stuff here.
At one point, everything's gonna crash. It's not good.
Now blue screen of death.
Oh no.
Well, first world countries, woo! Safety! Guys, we totally recommend it. It's great.
Yeah.
All right, so we are... okay, so we have our new intern. We just gotta get... He's out. He's out today, but we're gonna try to get him set up on so he can stream his sweet chin in here. Oh,
Right.
all right. Wait, what is it? It's asking me. Oh, okay. All right. So, what are we doing? All right. Is there anything else we need for the intern? Do we just have to get his? I can walk him through the OBS stuff. Or wait, yeah, the virtual cam stuff. That's pretty straightforward.
I will.
It's a video ninja stuff. That's.
Yeah. I have to. I mean, it's new to me too because it's on Windows, but yeah, I'll get with him. Yeah, I'll get with him and go over, or her. I'll get with they. I'll get with they. I'll get with they and go over the whole Nginx
with Zacharina.
or just Zachary. You know, some Zacharys are they.
I guess.
Yeah, so I'll just go over with him or her.
Yeah. All right. Then. So, where did we leave? Oh, I feel like we need to like organize our, because we have a lot of things going, or we have at least 2 things going on now, or 3 things.
Yes.
I really should update the animated terminal thing, but I guess that's a little low priority.
Yeah.
But I would like to keep track of our history. Stream. So we're working on the stream overlay and the stem player.
Yeah, the stream. We haven't started on the overlay though, so
yeah.
Unless
I started on, like I've kind of started on it.
Okay.
Let's see. I'm looking at the to-do if there's any like. Let's see. Get intern set up. Stream overlay. Okay, it's history. So history. That should go in the animated terminal. I will do that later. Okay. Open source. Okay. So what do we want to do today? I mean, I'll definitely work on the overlay. And so you could join me on the overlay, or you could keep working on the stem player?
I think for the stem player, I guess it says to work on the GUI. Right now we just have.
Is it?
Yeah, it just says.
Okay.
Or at least that's what the to do says. It says left off.
Yeah.
So that we can play it. I don't know what else we want. Like for example, different controls. Like I don't know what other controls would be.
Oh yeah.
Useful besides
Maybe we should
play.
talk about. Do we not have that written down somewhere? Do I have it written down somewhere? That's another question.
Let's write it here.
Let me look at my personal notes. Yeah, I guess that's okay. Oh, and I think, okay, so I wrote this down. Let's see. I think OBS is capable of doing multi-streams now. I wonder if I can stream to two separate targets, because my thought is that I need to possibly stream maybe to Video Ninja or something to get you guys. Oh, that's what we were supposed to do today. Oops. Oh well. We were supposed to do the low latency stream to see how. Oh well.
Oh, okay.
Maybe we can do that at the very end of this, just for
Okay.
like 5 minutes and test low latency. Yeah, I was thinking. Sorry, I'm just reading my notes. Like, I need to like stream you guys a low latency version of the stream so that you can see which panels are on or not, and like you can monitor the stream yourself.
I see.
So I was thinking of like doing a really low res stream just so you can see the layout and kind of get a sense of what the others have on their screen and like how your chin's looking on the stream and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, and I was trying to figure out lower latency audio. I guess that's something I need to do with the intern. Because the Discord delay, I mean, he's pretty far away, so, but 2 seconds is quite a bit when you're trying to have like I think even
real-time conversation.
Yeah, exactly. Like, I think even our delay makes it just a tiny bit harder. I mean, luckily it's only like 200 milliseconds or something, but
yeah.
But the 2 seconds I think really throws off flow. So if we can find a way to get that down to like a second, I think that would help conversation flow a lot.
Makes sense.
So I guess when he comes in, we'll try to take a look at Mumble, some kind of Discord-like service that might have lower latency audio. I need to ask him that. Yeah, I wonder if he's hard connected. I think I did ask him that. I think he has to just figure it out at his place. Okay, good. Both ends need to pop. Okay, that's the. Wait. Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm just looking through the documentations for Veep, the library you're using.
Yeah.
It looks pretty easy to just implement volume. So I don't know if that's volume should be something they can control, right? So
yeah,
maybe,
for sure.
Maybe just so we have start from the beginning, stop, pause, and volume. Maybe those are the basics for now.
Yeah. But okay. I think we also. All right. I'm gonna switch to our normal scene with our screens showing. Okay. So I think we need to come up with like. I'm trying to wrap my head around this. Okay. So my goal, I think, in the future is to like show, or to be able to like we're gonna make probably some chill music, or what was it called? Chill pop.
Chill hop or something.
Chill hop.
Lo-fi.
Yeah, lo-fi, chill hop, whatever. Whatever stupid stuff. No. But I think we can make it where it's like you can transition. Oh, no, sorry, I'm talking about a future thing. Hold on. Oh man, too much stuff going on. So we need a naming scheme or something, some kind of hierarchy, like, so you can have the stem tracks, right? We need a way to gracefully degrade, like, so you have, like, I guess we'll call it percussion, melody, bass, FX. What other main categories of sound are there? Is that melody, bass? I feel like I'm missing one.
I mean,
what's in our sound? Bass, drums. Oh, guitar. Yeah, what's like secondary to melody?
This is melody too here.
Well, I would even maybe, is guitar really a separate thing from melody? Like,
I think guitar is usually part of the melody. I don't know.
But like, what's like the supporting track called? You know?
Man, yeah. Let's ask Bing. What is the supporting track called?
Yeah.
What is the melody?
That's not
supporting track called. Accompaniment.
Accompaniment. Yeah, sure.
Okay. I mean, people say harmonies, but
I've totally spelled that wrong. I'm embarrassing myself. How do you spell? Oh, okay. I was like, accompaniment. No. All right, so yeah, melody, accompaniment. So I think these are our primary categories. And then you'd have like subcategories that fall within that.
These are for the stems though, right?
Yes. Percussion. Okay. So percussion could be drums.
Maybe we could ask your
yeah, ask my brother.
Fifth cousin.
Yeah. My brother's wife.
Let's ask her, and maybe how she thinks about it. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it'll just get complex.
Well, these are at least the main ones. So we can stick with that for now. Okay. So basically, what I'm getting at is that each track within the stem needs to be denoted as one of these somehow. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I don't know if we want it to just be in the title of the track or if it's in metadata or.
I see what you're saying. I mean, whether it's programmatically or through the GUI, maybe each file should be tagged with like a user tag or something. I don't know, like a select or something.
Okay. So the reason being is that basically in the GUI we need some way to select each track, each general track, and then in the future sub tracks if the music falls within some, like, yeah. So I'm envisioning it right now. I wonder, did we actually figure out like an art program to draw so we both can see?
Oh, I don't think we talked about it.
I wonder if does Visual Studio have like a whiteboard something?
Oh, let's look it up. Mr. Bing. Whiteboard. Collaboration. VS Code extension. Live share whiteboard. Ooh.
I see a whiteboard with 3,000 downloads, 5 stars. Oh wait, 168. Live share whiteboard. There we go.
Let's download this virus right now. It actually looks nice. It looks pretty nice.
Wait, which one are you looking at?
The one that you're talking about, Jonathan Carter.
Yes, okay.
I guess Joanne Than Carter.
Trust workspace and install. Do I have to... See, it never explains. Can I just install, or do I have to trust the workspace as well? Oh, it requires a trust a workspace, so why are you... Okay. Yeah, I guess trust and install. Ooh.
Okay, install. Guess it's done.
Now, how do you access it? That's the question.
Let's see. Install this extension. Click the live share button. Okay. And then open live share session details view and click whiteboard in the node tree. Okay. So
wait, click what and then view?
I think it's talking about I have this right here. Collaborators. I have the collaborators thing. I wonder if I have to like restart. Maybe, I don't know. Hope not.
Yeah, I'm not seeing what I need.
Let me look it up again. Maybe I didn't see. Oh, okay. Open the live share session details. Session details. Okay, live share session details. Is this it? I keep going to the same thing. What is this? Live. Here it is. Here it is. I found it.
Oh, you found it?
It's on the left side for me. Whiteboard. Here we go.
Oh, there. Oh, I get it. All right.
What?
Wait,
I double clicked it. Yeah, it's empty for me too.
Maybe you have to like make a new one. No.
Click the whiteboard node. Open the integrated whiteboard. Begin drawing. How do I draw?
Oh wait, did we actually check? Does this actually work on Mac and Linux?
I hope it would be. Let's see.
I hope it wouldn't show us stuff that we can't actually use. That'd be bad design.
It says we have to reload VS Code. Then I guess I'll restart this. 1 second. Let's save the to-do first.
Oh yeah, for sure. Save. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off.
Do I need to close out of mine?
Probably. I think you have to restart yours as well. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just stop this. Stop sharing session. Stop collaboration session. Turn that off. Okay. What do I do? So I'm gonna turn this off. Let's close it.
Yeah, let's start talking in like a Barcelona accent. Let's open the session and.
Did you watch the Olympics? Olympics.
Everybody's. I keep seeing memes about the Korean girl and the Turkish guy.
Yeah, they both. Well, one of them looks like an assassin. The other one looks like
yeah. One of them looks like Kim Jong's most prized collaborator.
Yeah. I saw. Did you check the medal counts per country?
No, I did see that sharing around, but it like. So what about it?
No, just I was surprised that Japan was #1 for a while.
Oh,
Are they still #1? Let's see, gold medal count. We only count the gold medals. 2024. Oh, it's China now. Okay.
Oh, like in the current Olympics, like the yeah, I guess it depends on which things they've done, which events they've done so far.
Japan was like in the lead for like this past week, and then I guess it flipped yesterday maybe. Because I looked at the medal counts, and the first events were like judo and like skateboarding, which Japan dominates in as well.
Wait, oh come on! Now the whiteboard's not showing.
Let me see. Is live share on?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
I think so. Yeah.
Let me go here.
Extensions.
What happened? Oh, it's at the top for me. Still doesn't
oh,
work.
Is it at the top? Oh,
yeah,
not
but
for
still,
me. I just don't see it
work.
at all. Okay, well, I guess that didn't work. I don't know. Oh, maybe I have to press enable. Trust and continue. Do I have to enable it every single time?
What? Where do you see that?
Oh, but it's still blank.
Let me just make sure I go to Securita.
Well, when I went to the extensions panel and clicked on it, I had to like re-enable, or I had to whatever, I forgot what it was called, enable for this workspace. Of course, nothing can be simple. That's how it goes in the dev world.
Oh
nothing
my
can
goodness.
be simple.
Oh my goodness.
Wait.
Yeah, it says it's enabled. Whatever.
Whiteboard expansion not working in VS Code.
Yeah, I'm really surprised, man. France.
What? France?
France.
What were you surprised about?
About, on the first few days, how... Yeah, you see, they had like 5 gold medals when I checked, and it was all judo and skateboarding.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. It was like, oh, they probably did martial arts first. And it's then yeah, it's gonna be skewed. Is Phelps still doing his thing?
Nah, he retired.
Okay.
Yeah, people are saying like, oh, you gotta wait till swimming comes up, then the U.S.
Then the U.S. takes half of all medal.
Yeah. I think this year's running as well, like track and field, because Usain Bolt retired as well, so now the U.S. actually has a chance.
Or other countries have a chance to overtake the U.S. So the extension is not working properly. Or this is 2020. But this is a whiteboard app. The extension is not working properly on Mac after the new VS Code update. It has stopped showing the whiteboard option. Yeah.
It does say it's early experimental, even though...
It does say 0.0.12.
Also, I mean, people give it 5 stars. Lots of people are using it, so I don't know.
Do we try the 3000 download one? That's on version 1. Whiteboard theme. Wait, that says theme.
Okay, I'm just gonna uninstall this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you said.
Disable, uninstall. Man.
Check that, okay.
What is a whiteboard theme, though? I don't know what that means. I don't think it's just a theme, that's why.
Just make your VS Code window look like a whiteboard. Oh, what is this? Code as whiteboard? Hell no.
Yeah.
Hell to the no.
That seems to be the only one. Okay. Well, that didn't work. What the? Come on. What do we search?
What if we...
Best whiteboard online? I don't know. So we just use one of these, like, Miro. I wonder if it's free.
Live share, whiteboard, interesting, okay. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's
sign up and stuff. Ugh.
The last update was 3 years ago, so.
Oh. So maybe that 2020 thing was relevant.
Yeah.
Shit.
There are lots of people wanting to like merge updates. They have pull requests, but
they just MIA.
Yeah, this guy's MIA.
I guess we could probably use Google Docs as that.
Google Docs.
Oh man.
Jamboard. Google Jamboard.
Oh, is that in Google Docs or is it books?
It looks like a business plan app. Yeah, it's a business plan app. Shareable. Whiteboard.com.
Oh, can we like just connect up on whiteboard.com?
Let me see. It's a white, not white, but white.
White. It's not white, but it's Wite board.
Yeah.
It's the Wite board.
Wite board.
Oh wait, Jamboard is. Hold on, this might actually work. Jamboard is in Google Docs. Let me see if it opens.
I guess they do. Add it.
Shit. Oh, private to only me. Untitled. Alright, let's see what happens. Untitled Jam.
Oh, shareable link.
Oh, you got for what? Whiteboard or Jamboard? I sent you.
I guess.
All right,
you sent it to me.
Look at your email or whatever.
Oh, my email.
Just, maybe look at your email off screen. I don't know. Hopefully there's nothing.
I did it. Runtime Friends.
Oh, what? Jamboard is going away on October 1st. Of course. Oh my god.
I wonder why.
No one using it.
Come on. I'm not so sure on that because I remember, Google used to do Google Fiber. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Their internet thing. People were like, I bought it. It just before launch because I signed up for it and I was so I signed up for it and then before launching they just shut down, which was so weird because I know a lot of other people who signed up for it as well.
All right, so can you see? Is it working for you? Yeah.
I do see it.
All right.
I do see it.
Okay, so finally, let's make some shapes here. All right. So what were we? All right. So now that an hour has passed, what were we talking about? Why was I getting Jamboard open? Let's see. Okay. So yeah. So we have the 5 major things. So my thought is, okay. Can I duplicate? Yeah. I mean, I'm just. Oh, come on. Why are you moving around?
Oh, it looks really cool. Looks like an AI is doing stuff for me.
Oh, have you seen that with? Well, I forgot which one it was, but it was like they did a demo where they're like doing data lists and stuff, and it was like doing it in real time, like organizing the data. Like, oh no, I want a column for year. Oh, I want it sorted by this. And it's just like doing it. It's pretty cool.
Like a live coding session while talking to AI.
Yeah. But yeah.
Are you real? Are you AI?
That's the future. Karen's being like, I refuse to talk to an AI. even though they're the ones who definitely need to talk to the AI first.
Yeah.
All right, so these 5 boxes represent melody, accompaniment, percussion, bass, effects. Is my thought. So then, what do we have? What? Oh, we need a list. Like, okay, what can we do? So first, we're just gonna do volume. So we could just stick with that for now. But I want to make sure.
Volume controls.
Yeah, so we're just gonna change the volume of that track. And then we need attack. What is it? It's like a compressor. What are the options on a compressor? Let me see. Compressor, attack, decay, or release. Release. Compressor
DSP. Parameters. Digital signal processing.
Digital signal. Okay. Oh, I guess we should call it gain. So attack, gain, release. Gain. Oh, I guess maybe attack, release. Do we need? Let's see. There's release, but there's also like.
Are you writing it down on the VS Code?
No, on the to do.
Okay.
Or yeah, on the to do doc. Gain, release, attack.
Attack on Titans.
So I guess we just fundamentally need to figure out what our interface is going to look like. So my thought here is, all right, so we have these 5 boxes here, and it's just going to be like, they're going to be buttons that you can select, like, okay, for this song, I want, for this song, can I not do multi-selection here? Do you select more than one thing? Oh, come on. What? Well, that's why it's being discontinued. I can't select more than one thing? That's crazy.
Oh, it's like super basic.
Yeah, like I can't move these 5 boxes down. It's like, oh, if I put them too high, well, too bad for me. I just gotta delete it and start again.
Yeah.
So anyways, all right, so those 5 boxes, melody coming, I'm thinking you just select them and like they highlight, so you can choose like, okay, so when I talk, I want accompaniment. No, I want melody and percussion to dip. Oh, wait.
You know what? I think I know what you're trying to get at. If we have these controls and however we do to control it, maybe we should just experiment with it. See what it sounds like, and then use those as the.
Well, okay. How do we want the controls to look? Do we want it to look more like an audio interface, or more like a like it could be knobs, or it can be slider bars?
Oh, for how much to dip? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. For the gain, release, attack.
I guess we picture who the user is. If the user is like your 5th cousin, perhaps whatever that person's used to makes sense. If it's for like,
I think it's going to be for more lame. Yeah, I think it's going to be more for streamers and people who have just a simple knowledge of audio, maybe.
Yeah, knobs will be way too unfamiliar.
I think so too, yeah.
So possibly a slider bar makes more sense, because you can see relative, I'm dipping it this much. So I think that makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, I don't like
Oh, you're doing a mock-up here? Is that it?
I just like trying to get a really rough sense.
I
But
see.
this doesn't work. Why?
You can't even
I don't think
layer it.
I don't think there's not an option to put things over things. What? Oh, I guess I can make this transparent there.
Oh, there is an order. Send to back.
Oh, where? I don't even see it.
There's like a ... if you or order.
Oh, I saw.
Click. It like disappears. I don't know.
Okay, I see. Yeah. All right. Well, anyways, but you still can't select more than one thing at once. You can't even shift select.
Yeah.
Oh, that's terrible. All right, so yeah, I'm just trying to think of just the overall what we need. For now, we're only going to do volume, so we'll just stick with volume. The gain release attack.
Okay. Like a volume slider somewhere.
Yeah.
I think we also need right now it's just hard-coded files on my system, but I think we want to, whether programmatically or through the GUI, have them choose their own local files.
Definitely.
So
yeah, I wonder. I forgot what we're doing. We're okay. We we have the. So I think. All right, we're connected. We're connected through a WebSocket, right? So should we just do the file browsing through the HTML GUI, or do you think that's going to have limitations? Should we have a button that launches a file GUI through Go? I'm not sure which one would be better.
I was thinking on that GUI.html.
Okay.
So if we have a file field and we submit that to we'll have to have like some API point to like receive that and just create like a temp file, like local temp file. And then it'll reference that from then on for that user.
Wait, say that. Sorry, say that one more time.
Okay, so this program it's gonna be an installed program, right? So there's only gonna be one user.
Yes, I suppose.
So yeah. So once they select the local file and using that GUI.html,
yeah,
then maybe they add what input tag, like a metadata about what it is, like a percussion or whatever.
Yeah.
And then they submit that, or it could be multiple. They submit that, and then it'll submit it to the Go program has to have like an endpoint to receive those.
Yeah. Well, I mean, and we have the WebSocket connected, so.
Usually we don't. I guess we could do that. Okay, we'll receive it through WebSockets, and then.
Right, you're talking about the file selection, right?
Yeah. Let me see what a WebSocket like. If there's any like payload limit.
There is. Well, not. I don't think not really.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, but why?
Just to make sure, because I've never sent big files over WebSockets.
Well, no, you wouldn't send the file. You would send the file handle, or the path.
Ah, it's local. I see. Right. It's local anyways. Okay.
Exactly. I mean,
that makes sense.
We might build in, later we might want to build in the ability to do it like remotely or something, but that's definitely low priority.
Okay. If you get the paths, then that's all you need, and then takes that.
So I actually think there should be workspace, file selection. So I think you should be able to have multiple users essentially. And I guess it's like workspace, right? Because you might have like, oh, these are the songs I want to use for this, and this is the songs I want to use for this, maybe. or like you might want to use different settings for different streams you do or something. You know what I mean?
At the same time?
Well, not at the same time. I'm talking about like if you have two different streams, you might the settings you use might
I see what you're
be
saying.
different between them. But I think that's something we can implement later for sure.
Basically, you're saying don't be like OBS and actually save the actual settings.
OBS, yeah. But I think OBS has like scene collections, I guess. So this be like music collections, and then we'll have like a way to copy/duplicate between workspaces. All right, so we don't want to implement workspaces right now, but we do want to keep the user profile in a structure that's like easy to make a new, like, you know, we want to make the data. We don't want to have to like refactor the whole code to make workspaces work, but let's keep that in mind that we're probably going to have different workspaces eventually. But for now, we'll just do file selection, then for each, I guess, wait, file, we'll call it file import, and then file selection. Then you actually have to click the music, or I guess song selection, file selection, song selection, and then you choose which ones that you want to turn the gain down on. Okay. And then
workspace, okay. File selection, song selection.
Are we? I guess we need to make. Do we need to make like playlists or something? Like, is it just gonna play the next song basically? Do we need to have like shuffle and all that stuff?
I have no idea. I don't know how streamers would do it. But how would we do it? Right now, we're just selecting. Right now, what we've done so far is we went to the Library of Congress.
Yeah.
You actually downloaded it.
Yeah.
And you're just playing it, right? As
directly.
A source.
I think streamers typically will play it through like VLC or something as a playlist.
Are you looping it right now, or?
Yeah, I'm just looping the same song into infinity.
Is there any other option that OBS has, or?
I don't believe so. My understanding is that if people are using their own music or local files, they would use a VLC playlist and import the audio source from VLC. But a lot of people use Spotify, just stream from. Actually, a lot of like stream. What is it? Not Switch. What's that? Twitch. Twitch doesn't have the like basically when apparently right now when you're streaming on Twitch, people will just use like they can use Drake and stuff, and like they just can't use the video later. Like the video, obviously you can't upload it to YouTube, and then Twitch will mute your VODs, the videos that you created with, if that has that song on it, then it will mute those, but your actual live stream, it won't mute. So people will often just use popular music.
Okay.
But in this setup, we're doing like custom music. So I'm guessing they're gonna like download music packs and then. So yeah, I think so.
Let's what do we want to do then? I guess we'll download a whole bunch of Library Congress music.
Well, at some point we'll make the music ourselves.
Right. And then we'll, I guess, not loop it. I think shuffle is fine. Yeah.
Well, yeah, like shuffle and let's see, shuffle and loop. let's see, shuffle toggle, loop toggle, song, let's see, song selection, ability to drag, drop, arrange. Yeah, okay. All right, here's my last question. I think we pretty much have it figured out what we need. My last question is song selection. My last question is, okay, so you select a bunch of files and import them, and then you have the list of those songs. So when, like, presumably they'll want to have this is getting complicated. Presumably they'll want to have different playlists. You know what I mean? Like, okay, I need my chill playlist or my upbeat playlist that they can switch between.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So I don't know if that should be what workspaces is, or but you might have the same song in two different playlists, and you would want to keep the settings between them if you're in the same workspace. But do we want multiple workspaces and multiple playlists? Or do you just make a playlist? Maybe we don't have workspaces, we just have playlists. And the playlist by default keep the settings from the other one, but you could like right click, unlink them or something. I don't know.
I know what you're saying. Okay, so you're saying let's scratch the workspace concept and just use playlist concepts, and by default every playlist will share the same setting until you create a specific setting for that playlist.
Ooh, okay, yeah, wait, I just thought about that. Hold on. Maybe, yeah, let's scratch that. All right, maybe sorry, but yeah, I'm trying to think what's best here, because on the one hand, you might just want to do, because of how we've done it, if every song has the melody, accompaniment, percussion, bass, FX, and it properly labels it, you should be able to set those settings for every single song.
That's true. It's a common, I'm assuming it's going to be a common thing. Yeah.
I think that would be good enough for most people, but it is possible, it is very likely, but maybe that's something that's lower priority. Maybe that's something we want to implement later. Because later, you might want to, oh, this song has some crazy effects. Like it's going, wow, and you don't want that going on while you're talking. So you would want to control that song individually. But maybe that's for a later date. But it is something to think about when we're developing. So yeah, maybe right now it's just the gain, release, and attack apply to every track. And then later on, let's make sure that it's easy to build in the capability to essentially unlink the track from the like main overall whatever. Does that make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay, well that actually simplifies things then. File selection. We still do need playlists though. So playlist. So each playlist has. Now does each playlist have shuffle and toggle or loop, or is that a global setting that you can toggle on and off at any time?
I mean, it makes sense for a playlist to have a shuffle loop.
Well, but okay, so think about, all right, if you're streaming and you have, let's say you have your chill playlist and your your chill playlist and your amped playlist. When you switch in stream, you're like, okay, I'm going to start playing games now. You click the amped button or whatever, then it switches to that playlist. So I feel like it should be like a. I feel like maybe in the Go code, or I feel like we need to have the ability to do like global hotkeys.
Okay, I misunderstood. I thought you meant like shuffle of all songs across playlists. But you're just talking about just shuffle in general, and then whatever playlist I'm on is gonna shuffle it.
Right. When you do so, my thought is you order the playlist however you like. And if you just play it with shuffle off, it'll play that playlist in order how you have it set. And if you have shuffle turned on, it will, whatever playlist you currently have selected, it will randomly pick a song within that playlist.
Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. Yeah, shuffle and loop makes sense. Like it's just a control that you're just setting for that session.
Yeah,
so.
I think you could so we could do global hotkeys where I think we can do that in Go code for the OS. So like if the user presses F5, it's like your one playlist, and if it's F6, it's your other playlist or something.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. I think are we missing anything? Let's see. Shuffle. What else goes with the playlist? I think that might be everything.
Yeah. Also, so yeah, these will have to think about. But were you thinking, just upload all the files and then
yeah, I think you can upload. I think you can upload a file at any time. Oh, so yeah, so this would be within the playlists. I think this would be like, file selection would be like at the top. How would you? I guess whatever playlist you have selected, the file would automatically go into, but you can drag or copy.
So songs are made of different stems, and then files are the stems, right?
Oh no! I'm thinking the file would be the folder of the stem.
Folder of the stem.
I would think you would make a folder with, okay, let's say we have the 5 stems. We would have a folder that has those 5 stems, and then you.
I see. Then that'll just reduce the number of
exactly, and you don't
number of times you gotta upload something.
Right.
So everything in the folder would be considered the song.
Yeah, it would be considered a track, and it would try to get the maybe it ignores it if it's not an audio file, or file. So file / folder selection. Select folder that contains the stems.
Is that how people normally organize stems, with like folders?
I mean, you'd have to, I think, right? Like
no one has like all the stems of all the folders or of all the songs in like the same folder. Like no one does that, right?
I wouldn't think so, but even if they did, I mean, nothing outside of an audio, like a deep audio environment, no one's keeping stems, you know what I mean? Like a normal streamer or something. Like audio professionals have the stems, but they're typically not going to be the one streaming. They're typically not going to be the one making video games. So I think it's pretty low barrier of entry to have the people using it to organize them into folders, and it just makes the organization a lot easier.
Got it.
I mean, we could even have a custom. We actually might have a custom format in the future if we decide to do that. To do the expanded version where we have the music that's the infinite music stuff. That might even be our own format. That's like a container file or something. But yeah, I think it's pretty reasonable to have the stems in the folders.
It's very reasonable.
Reason.
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
I guess you could. Do we want the ability to select a parent folder that has a bunch of stem folders in it? I don't know. Or do you have to like, or I mean, you can shift select, I guess. You can do multiple selection. So I guess that's fine. Yeah, so I guess that's good. Oh, here's the question. So you have a playlist selected and you do an import. So you do the import, so it goes into that playlist. Now, how do you differentiate dragging the file into a different playlist versus copying into a different playlist? Do we just do Control Copy, Control V if you want to copy it, and then if you just drag it, it just drags it and takes it out of the other one? I don't know.
Yeah, that conceptually that makes sense to me. Like you're dragging it means you're moving it.
Yeah. Okay.
Control C, Control V means you're copying it.
So
MV, CP.
Drag, drop, arrange. Can arrange across playlists. Moving file or moving song between playlists. Control plus C/V to paste out song in multiple lists. Okay. All right. I think that's good to go.
Save that.
Yes.
Can we get a song with stems? Does your
Probably. Yeah, I don't know why I haven't asked about that.
Let's get a couple.
I honestly thought we'd be able to find some online, just as like a test, but I guess not.
What will we search? Let's see, stems.
I mean, I searched a little bit last time, but yeah, I guess we can do a really quick search.
Library of multi-tracks, isolated tracks.
But a lot of these are for practice only. I don't know. We're kind of streaming, so
12 channels, drum kit, percussion, bass. Oh, tube snake, boogie. Oh, there's a lot. There's actually a lot. I don't know if I can download it though. Let me see.
What are you looking at though? Are you looking at KVR audio?
I'm looking at this thing, isolatedtracks.com.
I gotta look at your screen. Let's see, isolatedtracks.com. I gotta look at the whatever for that. I'll look. Isolated.
Free multi-tracks. Let me go to the Beatles. Ooh. How do I download this?
The Beatles. See, that don't sound right.
Abba.
These are re-recorded versions of original songs. These recordings do not use original music, original vocals, samples, or any feature of the original audio recordings.
Yeah, that's definitely not Adele. That's not Adele. I just played it. It was like, this doesn't sound like her. I can download it. They're all WAV files though. How do I download this?
No material on this website may be copied or reproduced, whether physical, electronic, or otherwise, for commercial purposes. There we go.
We're not selling it. Let's see. Download. Okay. I guess I'll download it. I'm gonna. Oh, it's making me log in. Only free if I register. Yeah, I'll register. Runtime friend. Let me do this off screen.
I can't figure out what this site is for. I'm confused. So we have a licensing agreement to use our multitracks to accompany live performances is granted only to the nominated licensee. What is a nominated licensee? Let me search nominated. Oh, great. They don't define that in the terms of service. Is that a thing? Nominated licensee? Nominated licensee.
Yeah, these are all popular music. So, you're saying just don't do it, right? Because
yeah,
we might get another. What was it copyright stricken from Russia?
Oh, we didn't actually get a copyright. It wasn't a. What was it? Oh, I mean, I guess it's a copyright strike, not a channel strike.
Copyright strike from Russia. We gotta be careful of those.
Oh yeah, let me check. Let me check the email.
They're doing a proxy war. They're doing a proxy war on us through YouTube.
Yeah, forget Ukraine. They're doing a proxy war through Sony Music Group to take us down. Nope, no feedback from that. Curious to see what happens.
Oh, I still need to do the what was it called? Virtual audio device, because the last one didn't work out.
Oh, it didn't?
Yeah, after a while, it had the
static noise.
The watermark, I guess.
Oh,
right.
Of
audio. It wanted me to purchase it.
Is it a subscription thing, or is it like a one-time purchase?
Let me see. What was it called?
A loopback, maybe?
Loop.
Or loop something like that.
Audio. Yeah, it is a loopback. It says free, but they should like say like that it's not. Let's see.
Microtransactions.
It's
Ooh, $99
US.
Ooh, ouch.
Plus local taxes.
Ooh, that's expensive.
You want to go deeper in the hole?
Not that deep. There's something called Rogue Amoeba.
This is actually I like this compared to the other options, which were like the other option was like it's called Black Hole or whatever. It's totally free, but like everything, there's no GUI. It just runs. Let me see if there is a GUI.
I mean, I guess we might have to do loopback if we can't find another alternative. But $100 is steep, considering Windows and Linux have very good free versions.
Yeah. I mean, I heard good things about Black Hole. Just
Black Hole Sun.
There's just no like GUI. I can't see what it's doing. Can't see how it's set up.
Oh, I was watching the latest Fargo. Did you watch any of the Fargo TV series?
I didn't. Was it on like HBO or something? Because we did not have HBO.
I don't think so. I see it through Amazon Prime.
Oh, I mean, if it's on Amazon Prime, maybe I'll check it out. We saw Fallout on Amazon Prime.
Oh yeah.
We saw Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Do you like thrillers?
Yeah, we love thrillers. We love
detective stuff. I guess it's kind of true crime-ish. I really recommend. So, the Fargo TV series is.
Yeah.
Did you see True Detective?
No, I did not.
Well, I really suggest Fargo. It's comedy, got a little detective stuff, got a little true crime stuff. Got a little drama. Like it's got it all, buddy.
Oh wow. That means we gotta. It's a must watch. It's a must watch.
Each season it's an anthology series, so each season completely new cast, but they're all pretty solid.
That's good, man. Self-contained. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it.
Yeah, start with season 1. Pretty sure they start. I'm pretty sure they always start. The first episode is pretty banging, so you should be able to watch one episode and be like, does this compel me to watch more or not? Like, yeah, I feel like a lot of series, it's like, I'll give it another episode. I'm not sure.
Gotta watch at least 4 episodes to get right. Make a decision. You know, like those novels too. They're like, people are writing on the reviews like, you gotta get to chapter 300 right. in order to pick up.
Oh, no. It's like people in political conversations like, oh, well, read this book or watch this 5-hour video before you think of that. Like, no, thank you. I don't want to watch propaganda for 5 hours just to tell you you're wrong.
So I guess you're gonna ask.
Yeah, for, yeah. I'll ask my third cousin's brother. Wait, wouldn't that also be my third cousin?
Your third cousin's brother is your third cousin.
Yeah.
Or
my third cousin's brother-in-law.
Your third cousin's stepbrother is not your third cousin.
Ooh, that's true. I think. Yeah.
I think so too.
Is a stepbrother also a brother-in-law? Or only if they're adopted? But if they're adopted, then they're actually your brother or something. I don't know. Anyways,
you know that. Yeah.
we need the overlay, not professional genealogists. Don't listen.
Oh, we did that last time too, like specifically.
Yeah. Genealogists. Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. With the intern he's talking about. Yeah. Yeah. Super. Definitely check out just like the first episode of the first season of Fargo. I think you can tell whether you'll like it or not. It's cool. Okay. It's action packed. It's weird. It's crazy. It's cool. It's got who's the main guy on that? I think it's Billy Bob Thornton.
That's what it says here. Lorne.
It's got Colin Hanks.
Oh,
Tom
Hanks'
son.
Yeah.
All right. Anyways, wait. So what were we doing?
We talked about. So, I don't know. If
we need the overlay tangent over.
Yeah. You want to just work on the overlay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we've got. So. Well, yeah, okay. Wait, so what do you, yeah, what do you want to do? Do you want to work on the overlay, or do you want to work on the guts of the stem player? What do you want to do?
Let's do the overlay.
Okay, it's a little lighter.
Not only that, like,
and
I feel like I want some stems to like actually test with.
Oh, that's true. Yeah. Yeah, I'll ask.
I guess we do have stems. What am I talking about? We do have stems.
We do. They're just hard to tell if they're right or not.
It's because the AI splitter didn't split it very well.
Or maybe it did, but we're not familiar with the music, and it's like
can't tell.
Yeah. No, we could wait for some real stems.
Okay, you gotta get those real stems, man.
And we really need the overlay so we can do all of our like tangent time and not a professional, whatever. So I did start writing some stuff. I don't remember. Let's see, what does the to-do say? Oh no, I didn't write anything in the to-do, so so I have no idea where I left off.
Let me do this. Let me push up on the stem player.
Oh yeah.
Let me push this up.
Push-ups. Do... Get your chest strong.
I don't know if this was the initial commit, but let's check it out. Git log. Oh, it's the 4th commit already. Okay.
Oh, I see. I just copied. Okay, play music. Don't need that.
Play. Okay. Reorganize. Source. Add GUI. Controller. Okay. Oh my goodness, I gotta do this. Oh, git config.
Oh, why did you create it there? What's going on?
Runtime Friends.
There we
go. Oh, 감사합니다. 아, 좀 이따 먹을게요. What is this? Origin main, okay. And then I'll switch over. Oh, I guess the stem files are pretty big.
They are?
I mean, in the megabytes, yeah.
2 megabytes each?
Yeah, it's like usually code that isn't 16 megabytes.
Right.
Okay, so I go back to stream overlay. Okay, so this has no Git repository. Let's go to GitHub.
GitHub? Yeah, I don't know. What is Why do we have that instinct? GitHub. GitHub? What is that from?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Man, I wish you could audit your memories and like figure out where the hell stuff came from.
Why is it instinctual? that's
especially like certain words. I guess just you set it slightly off. GitHub, and then it's not GitHub. Like just in your brain, you connect that.
That's funny.
If there wasn't a more useless connection to make in your brain.
That's so funny. Okay, let me tap the scene.
Yeah, do we need to have like we need to have a thing? Oh, yeah. When we have the AI transcribing it, if we can get that connected to the bot, and then anytime we like name drop something, it's like, all right, let's go over to GitHub, and it's like GitHub with the air horn.
Yeah.
That'd get so annoying, but it'd be so funny.
Okay, so interesting. It's gonna make it public. Call it, what was it called? Stream overlay. Stream overlay. Just copy and paste that. Copy that. Paste that. Okay. Create new repository. Okay. Get removed. This is the main one. Get init. Okay. All right. Add dot. Okay. Now should have access, or what am I doing? Let's see. Ubuntu terminal. I gotta copy you, man. You gotta copy you. Where are you? Request.
Ooh, I have a question for you. Any corporate websites I see, they all like, and I know this is kind of like you're supposed to, at least for bigger projects, you should very much as possible like keep the HTML separate from the style, separate from the code, blah blah blah. Typically in my projects, I will use, unless I have a lot of template stuff where it's like reusing a bunch of stuff, I typically just use ID for major function, like major function things. But anytime I look at a corporate website, they never use IDs. They always just use class. You know what I mean?
A corporate website.
I mean, like if I look at a streaming service, any of the streaming services, like literally any. Sorry, not corporate, like commercial, like a website that many people use that spend money on it or something.
I think, I don't know, this is just for me looking around, but most companies use they don't like I guess have HTML files.
Oh,
they use frameworks.
Right,
they'll use like React or Vue or.
That's true. And then that just does it in whichever way that it. Okay, that makes sense.
It builds those HTML files and CSS for you, the JavaScript files for you. So
true. You're right. Why didn't I think of that?
Most companies do it that way, I think.
Yeah,
I actually don't know any company.
See, we need we really got to get this overlay done. We need the idiot. Fucking stupid.
We dumb like a dodo.
Dumb like a dodo.
That's you know that song?
Nope.
There's a rap
Sounds
song.
Funny,
there's a rap song. I'm dumb like a dodo. I'm dumb.
It sounds like
like a dodo.
Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. You know that song?
No.
Oh my god, you don't? I gotta send this to you. Yeah. It's a super old one.
Gorilla, so I'm dumb like a dodo. Bees in the trap.
No, I gotta send this specific thing to you.
Oh, Nicki Minaj has a song, Bees in the Trap.
That's what it is. But now what you need to do is watch this one. All right, I sent it on Discord.
I need the visual, was it audio virtual device, so that
you're good. We're not showing it to stream. I'm just showing it to you.
Ooh, okay.
I don't want to get copyright strict.
Okay, let me move it over. Let me move it over.
If anybody is wondering, what I'm sending him is the Bees in the Trap BET Awards video. I guess the thumbnail ruins it, but oh well. Oh, and the title. Okay.
Samuel L. Jackson.
Yeah. One day, a decade or more ago, Samuel L. Jackson donned a pink wig on the BET Awards and sang the dumbest song that exists. No, it's not the dumbest song.
What does Bees in the Trap mean?
I'm pretty sure it means I bees in the trap, and I think trap is like the corporate world or something, or like the work world. Like I'm trapped in a 9 to 5 or something.
Oh, I am in a trap.
I bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. Yeah.
I be. Oh, that's right. That's how they. Sorry.
But yeah, it's
I almost slipped.
Oh, I didn't hear a slip, so.
I be. You know, like it should be like I am, but you know, instead it's be.
I bees.
Whatever. Yeah.
It's like I is and be at the same time. I bees in the trap.
Didn't know that.
That's the whole lyrics.
It's a cultural thing. It's a cultural thing.
Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. But yeah, it sounds like. But yeah, for white people, it means, oh guys, I've got bees in the trap. We're gonna have some honey. We're gonna have some honey tonight.
We caught him.
What was I doing? All right. Okay. Butter.
So.
Oh. So how do you feel about that? Can we just use like can we do this?
Yeah, IDs are good. I like IDs are good.
Doing the HTML, like, so we can just use it directly in this JavaScript.
Yeah, sure. That's good. Old school, which means that we you get really familiar with the DOM if you do it this way.
Ooh, getting familiar with the DOM. Ah. Wait, what happened? Ah, are you pasting?
I'm not pasting. It's
weird.
It's the autocomplete. It's like trying to autocomplete, but it's
it's
so slow.
Yeah, that's right.
It's delayed. It's delayed so that once you do start typing, then it kicks in.
Okay. Well, all right. I guess I'm gonna try to get the like CSS and stuff going. What can I have? I'm gonna have you do something. What am I gonna have you do? You got footer. I guess I set up the code. Do we want the footer to like auto hide or something?
Oh, you mean like how do we want our overlays to like animate? I think like coming from the bottom off screen and then rising.
Right. I think it could be. Yeah, I think we can select that via CSS. So how about either go in the script file and start implementing some code like the footer code, or if you want to get a CSS file going. What do you want to do?
Okay. I can do the JavaScript. Okay. I see. So we're gonna have like a list of divs with phrases we want.
Well, no. I'm actually just putting this in just as like a test case so I can see it in the GUI. But this will be like HTML footer message, I guess.
Oh, okay. So basically, maybe this way. Maybe we have like an array of messages and.
Yeah, we can do that in JavaScript, I guess.
Okay.
Or do we want a separate file, or do we just?
We can just keep it. For now, we'll just keep it in the JavaScript.
Yeah. Okay. Well, then implement that in script. In script.js, you can make a footer message list and. Oh wait, no. How are we doing that? No. We're gonna do like.
Right now.
No. We're not gonna do an array. I think it's gonna be like show like okay. Go down to footer here.
Okay.
Also, how do you think about my construction here? Is this I'm basically making a singleton. Is this a bad form?
That's fine. I mean, there's only a single page that's using it, so I think it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. So I think this would be like show not profession, I guess. So it would be something like not a professional blank. So this would be profession. So when we'll type something and send it, and it will update it. Does that make sense?
I see what you're saying. String interpolated. Show not profession.
So like here it would be like HTML footer message dot inner text equals blah blah blah.
Okay. How are you gonna think about activating the overlay?
So I think each of us are gonna need a connection to this. So it's gonna have to make a WebSocket server of itself. How is that gonna work?
I see.
So all of us will have an overlay, a separate overlay interface where we can interact with the overlay.
Okay. And and through hotkeys though, right? You're thinking about hotkeys once we're all connected.
not necessarily hotkeys. It could be like a little window on the side.
Like a dashboard on the side.
Yeah, yeah.
Like a little. Oh, I see. Okay, dashboard.
Like on our other monitor.
Got it. Okay,
I think that makes sense. Because then we could have like a text field, and all you'd have to do is click on the text and be like, what? Oh, we could have we could have quick ones that we use a lot. Okay. Somehow we use genealogy a lot. not a professional genealogist.
For I guess this kind of situation,
yeah.
If you like, we can do it this way. But there's another way that we used to do using. Are you familiar with like mustache?
No.
They're called They're called mustache templates. It's like a templating system. It started in JavaScript, but it's available in every language. And how we use it is like you have this hash, right? So let's say
hash of what?
Like show not profession would be like let's say as an example is the key.
Okay.
And then you send it profession, and then the mustache template will be like, okay, show not profession is the key.
Sure.
And this template is like, we are not we are not, and then it'll interpolate.
Yeah.
And then all you do is just have a list of this, and then if you call then
how? Oh, okay. I see. Yeah. So you're just talking about, so you're talking about this works for whatever footer, and you're gonna send it up. Yeah. I'll let you do that, and then I'll look at it. You'll have to just kind of do a quick explanation. So. Yeah, fill out just a quick example, and then
we don't have to do it. I was just saying, like,
I get what you're saying though, because it works. I think it works well with sockets, right? Because when you send in the data, you have to have some way to select which one it is.
The pro of using that would be like, you don't have to add code every time you have a new thing, or you're like editing something. All you do is like change it in the DB to.
Right.
You just add another entry or something.
Well, that works. Sure. Let's do it, and I'll understand it when you have
the downside.
Yeah, the downside. What?
The downside is you got to download the library and stuff. So.
I see.
So that's bigger projects will use it because it's they have tons of things, but
well, yeah. Now remember, we have an intern coming in.
You.
So whatever is simple, or whatever is readable, simple to implement. Okay, so message.
We are not professional. We are not licensed. I'll just do it this way for now. Show not professional. We are not licensed. Okay. And is this defined? It's not defined. Okay.
What's not defined?
I'm just gonna put it up here, like what is it? Bar footer. What is it? Bar equals.
No, remember, boy? Don't you remember?
I don't remember nothing.
Those are already in the global namespace.
Oh, where? Where is it?
In overlay.html. You don't remember this conversation from a month ago?
No, I don't remember.
Any any IDs that you put in the in the calling HTML, when you import that script, those are already part of the document's global space.
Oh snap! Oh
Yeah.
snap!
That's what you said last time. Oh snap! Oh, snap. No, I don't remember what you said, but yeah, it was definitely like, oh, okay.
I did not know.
That's why I put HTML underscore, so that it doesn't pollute our namespace or our global context, whatever.
That's smart, man. That's smart. That is smart. Got it. That's smart.
Okay, we need an overlay that not actually that smart. I'm sure it has downsides and stuff. I don't know.
Wait, what do we say so far? Not a profession.
Oh yeah, like footers that we would want. Well, footers are gonna be something specific. But then we also have like the idiot stamps. But I think that's different from footer.
The idiot. Like it doesn't. So this. Yeah, I don't know about the animations, but this. We are not.
I mean, that's good. Yeah. What? Yeah, I'm trying to think of other stuff we've done. Is that all we're doing? This is the main one. I keep thinking when we talk about whatever stuff. I'm like, not a professional lawyer, not a professional whatever.
Idiot. But you said it's not in the footer, right?
Right. That would be. Yeah. That needs to. That one's gonna be a little complicated, but I guess. Yeah. I guess we would need a different class for that. A stamp class or something.
Oh, like a little.
You know what I mean? It like kind of goes diagonal on the screen, and like, yeah.
Okay. Oh, let's just test this. Let's test it. How about we add a listener? Or I guess we need a sidebar, right?
A sidebar
for us.
Oh yeah. Well, that would be a different HTML file, I think. Yeah.
In a different screen, we would go to that page to control. Okay.
Yeah. So we need a new folder, I guess. I guess we should put these in a folder too. So why don't we save these and put them in a folder?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
It makes sense. You're talking about the actual overlay versus the control dashboard.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll call this dashboard. I'll call it dashboard.
Definitely.
And I'll just call it dashboard.html.
And then I'll make then we'll just have overlay. All right, I'm gonna drag all these files in to overlay.
Let's see. Let me think about this. Let me think about this.
Or should we just copy over the? What are you thinking about?
I've made Chrome extensions before. And I think you can control. Is there a way to control another tab?
Oh,
JS.
Well, but it's not another tab. It has to come to my overlay.
That's system. Right. That's right. Okay. Yeah. Then we actually need a server.
Yeah, we probably do. In the end, I mean, I've got hosting stuff. Can go through that. We could just Yeah, I think you got the website, didn't you?
We could. Yeah, I did.
We can do it through that. Right.
We could also do, like, someone could also host it through live share too.
Oh, is that how that works? Oh,
like, that's how we tested.
Right. Oh, that works. Yeah, that works. At least for testing for now.
Yeah, for testing. That should be fine. Let's just test it that way.
Yeah. Keep it simple.
And then, how about I just copy this this server code from this from the other one. Just copy it. I'll create a source.
Yeah, because I think the overlay is going to have to be the server, so we actually have to set up. We have the Go server set up, but we don't have the JavaScript server working. So yeah, that's the main thing we need. Dashboard. Oh yeah, make a script file and
paste this. Paste. Okay. So 8080, yeah, sure. Yep, whatever, that's fine. I just literally just copied and pasted. And then you do main. Yep, gotta copy the main. Just copy this, put it here. Okay. I just gotta go soon. It's getting reaching that time.
Close to whatever. Are we at a good stopping point?
Yeah, we could stop here, but yeah, all this code is not right. It's because it's referencing the other code.
Yeah, let's get it. Let's make sure we update the to-do file properly and kind of clean up the code real quick, like 5 minutes, and then yeah, let's have some lunch.
Left off. Adding server code. To do fix server code. Yeah, just fix server code. Okay. Starting dashboard work for controlling.
Oh, were you thinking that we have a Go server for this?
We could do whatever. I just copied it because we have a Go server.
Right. I'm trying to think. Wait, what is the Go server for? I already forgot. Oh, that's the audio stuff, right?
The one I copied it from was from the audio one. I copied the WebSockets server.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can just make one in the JavaScript, so I assume we'll do that.
Client-side JavaScript, I'm not sure if you can't bind it to a port, because that's something you need to do, like access like your computer. So are you sure? Thinking about, yeah, like if you want to make a server, you have to open a port locally.
Right.
So I mean, we could do it in Node. Or
can you not just forward that port, the localhost port that it binds to?
So if it's a client side, like in the browser, that's already port 80. You can't bind to a port that's already binded to. Like
I think you can choose. I think you can choose the port as long as it's localhost. I was pretty sure you can bind to whatever port you want. Are you sure? Or what? Hold on.
Because if you do that, the file has to like create like local socket files. I don't think it could do it. I don't know. I don't think so. I've never heard.
I know I can do it. I know I can do it on a local machine.
You can do it through JavaScript, but not a client-side JavaScript. It has to be like JavaScript that actually runs.
No, but I'm saying I have talked between two local HTML pages. If that's what you're, I'm not sure if I'm. Is that what you're talking about? Like I've written at some point. I have written just like literally like a local HTML page that I open in the browser that can talk to each other through sockets.
But one of them is hosting it, right? One of them hosting. Yeah. Okay.
I mean, I guess I could go find that code real quick. It'll only take a second.
Okay.
This
Jukes. Okay, yeah. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, I've never seen non-server side.
I mean, this might be one of those times that we need the idiot stamp. I might be like talking about something completely different. I don't know.
Yeah, client side is stateless. Server side has to like, maintain the connections and stuff and manage that. So yeah, if you are find doubtful. I am doubtful, to be honest. Not just a little bit, but I'm confidently doubtful. But I could be wrong.
I have to figure out where it is. It shouldn't be too. Oh, did I do it? Un momento, por favor.
Maybe locally it could work if it's not a WebSockets, but there are service workers. Like you create a service worker through JavaScript.
It definitely wasn't like. Right, that's Python. It is possible I did it through Python. I really thought I did it through whatever. I'm looking at a couple different places real quick.
I can bring it. Can you host WebSocket server on client-side JavaScript? Yeah, this one is definitely server side. So let's see. Simply how to use it. Maybe it's just my wording. My wording is say on browser JavaScript. Should I say? WebSockets API does not. So you're saying it was vanilla JavaScript, nothing right. Like. WebSockets API does not provide a way to listen for connections. It is client only.
I must have done the server through Python then. Is that what it was? So I did that. Okay, it must have been, yeah, it must have been a Python. Yeah, it must have been an intermediate Python server that took the connected, but I guess each HTML page was connected, and then one sent, and then it passed it on to the next. So yeah, I guess we can just use Go.
Okay. Yeah, it's probably easier. Probably easiest since we already did it.
Dang it, we really need this overlay. Idiot.
Okay, so yeah, let's do it.
All right, so we got the server, got the script. Let me make the style.css
for controlling.
Oops. Come on, read it. No. Okay. Let me check your to-do file. Adding server code, fix server code. Okay.
Literally did nothing.
Huh?
Literally did nothing and just copied and pasted. Just the for the left off.
Oh, yeah. It
says adding, starting. Didn't really do anything, just copied and pasted. Doesn't even work.
No, yeah. Definitely not in running condition.
Guess for the overlay itself. Overlay HTML in progress. HTML in progress. Need styling. And more commands. Also, connect overlay and dashboard with WebSockets. So dashboard, you send the control, and then it goes to the server. Server sends it to the overlay. The overlay plays it.
Yes.
And then to your overlay though, right? You're the master overlay because you have the
yes,
one that's streaming. Okay.
I'm the only one with the overlay, and then we each have a dashboard.
Okay. Master overlay on streamer, and everyone has a dashboard. Okay, got it. Got it.
What is the make?
I guess everyone could open up their own overlay too, see how it works.
Yeah.
It'd be broadcasting.
For testing.
Yeah. Okay. That's good.
All right, real quick, just so I have a good stance where we left off, let's see. What are our common professions that we're not professional of?
Genealogist. Something that came up.
Not professional attorneys, or what would you say?
Yeah.
Lawyer, attorney.
Yeah, attorney at law. Attorneys, yeah.
Oh man, I need an idiot stamp because I don't know how to spell attorney.
Just say lawyer.
Ah, so close.
What's the
I did OU, it's just OR.
okay.
I did I said a tour knee.
That looks right. What you just changed it to looks right.
Well, that is correct. So genealogist, attorney. What else?
A lot of YouTubers say they're not medical professionals.
Oh yes.
Or is it? They don't say they're not medical professionals. They say, this is not medical advice. They usually say this is not medical advice. This is not financial advice. This is not. Yeah, those are the two phrases I've heard a lot.
Well, yeah, not a professional medical
practitioner.
Yeah, there we go. I think I spelled that one right. I'm gonna check. Got it. Okay. I'm unconfident in my spelling now.
I remember. Did we say we are not historians? We are not professional historians.
Yeah, probably. That's probably gonna come up a lot. We're probably gonna talk about. Oh, did you see that thing? we were talking about stuff earlier. Like, yeah, not a professional historian. Okay, good. All right, I think we have a good place to come back to. You said you're gonna be gone next weekend, right?
Yeah, the whole weekend.
All right, chat. Sorry, but sorry for all you out there.
Russians.
Why'd you say it that way? Russians? Not a professional racist.
There are pros and there are amateurs. I'm an amateur.
Ooh, yeah, we need the we also need common stamps.
Racist.
Yeah. Idiot. Racist. Yeah, because I guess we could type those out too if we want like a custom one. Just like, what the fuck was that? Okay, great, perfect. Good place to leave off. Now we just have to implement what we've started here. All right, that was good. We got a lot of stuff organized. Got a lot of organization. Had a lot of failures with the whiteboard didn't work. I see why they're discontinuing Jam.
Yeah, this oh man, potential.
How I don't understand how Google doesn't have just a generic whiteboard thing, you know? I mean, I guess it's kind of whiteboardy. I guess you technically have to erase a whiteboard, so the fact that you can select stuff is just bonus, I guess.
Yeah, in a way, it is very whiteboardish, but.
All right. Well, do we have anything else that I think we're good. Overlay HTML progress needs styling, more command, connect overlay dashboard, WebSockets, master. Yeah, I think that's the main thing for us to do is connecting the overlay to dashboards. But we've already done it with our other software, so it should literally take like 30 minutes next time.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty easy.
As long as we don't. Oh, that's
unless we're idiots. Then we're
idiot. That's one we needed on our list of. Where is that? Wait, what was it? Oh, the footer messages. Stuff about tangents. Right. That would be a footer. Okay. All right. I think we ended there. All right. Thank you, everybody, for showing up. All 0 of you. That'd be hilarious if we actually like checked back and it was like, oh, there was actually 5 people watching live, and you just completely ignored them, and they said, man, these guys suck. They don't interact at all. I'm unfollowing.
True idiots. True.
Then
we'll be.
We gotta figure that out. We gotta figure out how to get the chat to us in a better way. We gotta look that up.
Yeah, like have the like actual streamers have like the chat going and like the side, like as an overlay.
Yeah, we could do that too. Although we're gonna have so much text on our screen because we have 2 or 3, 2 or 3 screens going at a time.
Yeah.
So that's gonna get. It's supposed to show up in OBS, but it always says, "Oh no, it looks like you're using an older version of your browser." I'm using the most updated OBS. Like what? I don't know. Maybe I just gotta do my research offline. Okay, I'm gonna end stream here. Stop stream.
Oh wait. Are you still streaming?
Yeah.
Okay, you didn't say it. You didn't say the catchphrase.
Yeah, I was about to. Runtime friends. Disassemble.